Good afternoon, folks. I hope you're having a wonderful Thursday. As hope you're enjoying this beautiful day as well. It's a gorgeous day out there in Northwest Arkansas. As you can see, that temperatures are in the middle 70s, and it's just clear skies. Get out there. It's going to be as good as it can be for the next couple of days as we turn into a bit more of an active pattern. As we look at the SPC's day two outlook, you can see that although most of our coverage area isn't under a risk per se, very far eastern portions are under a marginal and slight risk, and that's due to a 2% tornado risk that's again on our eastern counties. And so that's primarily going to be our threat, along with damaging winds. And now you may not even see storms, and that's primarily due to when these storms form. Once you look at the top right there, you can see a little bit of storm development, but that's way past Springfield. We're being a little bit conservative here by adding that risk farther west. That way, any storms that form early and do cause that destructive manner or severe manner are covered. So, primarily, I don't really think that we'll see storm formation that early, but it could happen. So you definitely want to prepare regardless. But the main story about this whole system for us that is going to be our major impact is the critical to extreme fire potential that we have. This is the day two fire weather outlook. And you can see that we do have an extreme risk off to our west, and I would not be surprised if that gets pushed over into far western counties of my coverage area. So, you know, just I want to emphasize enough here that you want to make sure you are not letting anything, especially due to these strong winds. As you look at the jet stream, you can see just how strong those lower level winds are. And even as we looked at those triple R's max wind gusts for Friday, you can see that up to 50 miles an hour. So anything that you light outside could have the potential to not only catch things on fire quickly, but also rapidly grow. So do not start any fires. We do have a red flag warning currently ongoing, so you can't even do it if you'd like to. And also, do not throw out any cigarette butts or anything like that while driving or just in general. I mean, that's how one of our fires got caused last year, was because of that exact reason in October. You may remember me covering that. But 18Z GFS shows that we do have some rain possible throughout the week, but I don't see that really being all that much of an issue. And I think if we do get any of it, I think it'll be less than or less than a quarter of an inch. So I really doubt rain in general. But the Climate Prediction Center is going to continue to talk about this wonderful weather we're going to have, and I'm so thankful for it, as we are staying above average on the temperature outlook, but on the precipitation we're near average, but slightly below in terms of our Northwest Arkansas area. And so I can see that for next week as well as 7 day outlook. You can see that once again, Friday, Saturday, that dangerous weather, or fire weather, excuse me. Um, so you definitely, again, do not want to be doing any thing that could cause any fires. Now, moving through the week, we get those nice warm temperatures like I was talking about earlier, and thank goodness for those. As we do get into breezy conditions as well as we move throughout the week, and you can see, especially towards Joplin in the Joplin 7 day, Tuesday, Wednesday, I mean, 20 to 40 mile an hour gusts. I mean, I know that's not too unfamiliar for y'all, but if you don't have anything strapped down, like furniture, or even just trampolines, that could almost strap those down. So I hope y'all stay safe out there, and I hope you have a great rest of your week and have a good one.